You don't need to know about this, bro.
Oh, boy. He's trying to tap him out. Oh! Hey, you look like Ace.
What the?
I'm gonna drop an elbow on the back of his head, bro. Okay guys, so I'm out here with my boy Noah. We forgot to grab the cameras, so I had to go to the car real quick and grab it. But pretty much we're eating at this place called Jupiter's. Yeah, one of our local town centers, so we'll definitely do that. But I'll keep you guys posted in a minute once I'm sitting down with them. So what's up to the people, Noah?
What's happening, guys?
Oh, man.
What y'all doing? What y'all doing?
So me and Noah are here, like I said, at this place called Jupiter's. About to get a grub on. We're gonna be watching, who's fighting today?
Conor Mcgregor versus Dustin Poirer, UFC man. 257. Let's go.
Let's go, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. You guys will see that later in this video. He has a channel, I'm gonna throw it right here up on the screen. You can also shout himself out.
The Collision Course Sports. I have a podcast.
My bad.
You know, sports radio, you know, we do football, we do MMA, we do it all.
Stay tuned, y'all, but we'll update you once we get the food and whatnot and take you guys along the journey as we continue throughout the day. So I got this thing called the Ricky Bobby. It's like a fried chicken sandwich thingy. And then this man here, Noah.
El Macho.
El Macho. Or what is it? Just eggs and eggs and
sausage, bacon, peppers.
Yeah, he's on a cut, so he's trying to stay in shape for it.
Yeah, I'm cutting for a competition I have coming up, a jiu-jitsu competition. And so I'm cutting out carbs and all that. You know, just trying to stay lean, mean, killing machine.
So yeah, so that plant-based stuff, I'm working on it, guys. I started off with some coleslaw and some potatoes today, so that's how it's going so far. So all right, y'all, so I'm gonna do this first bite right quick. Let's see what this is hitting for. Wookie is not focused because I did some weird shit, man. Okay, I like that spiciness around there. A little spicy. Yeah. All right, give me a review of your meal. How was that?
That shit was delicious. El Macho, right?
Yeah, you said El Macho. My first bite was slap. Right now we're probably about to head out and probably head over to like Dollar General or Dollar Tree or something like that. Get a couple things, check with a couple people, see if they're coming out to watch the fight or whatever. And make plans and arrangements for that. Then you guys will see us later. All right, we're trying to get some snacks and stuff for the fight. We get some chips, some. I'm probably not gonna eat them. I don't really be eating chips like that. Oh yeah, you can't eat on carbs, no carbs.
Yeah, exactly.
So we're gonna get some, we're looking at some chips and stuff. We're gonna get some water, probably some drinks and stuff, and then basically just go from there. Let's see what we got in here. Got some sweets. Ooh, for that sweet tooth. Ladies, if you're sweet, let me know. I'm gonna tell you about it off camera though, because you don't need to know about this, bro.
Oh, you recording right now still? Oh.
Yeah. You can go ahead and tell people we trying to get going.
Yeah, so, okay, there we go. This is some lemonade.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Like lemonade.
Trying to know about that.
Trying to get some punch.
Punch would be fitting for the event, of course. Y'all tell me what y'all favorite drinks is right here.
Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid.
My black community knows about
yeah, y'all know about that. We got some Hawaiian punch on there. That's the OG. Actually, that's not. The regular fruit punch is not there, but that whole slaps too. I never had this one. I don't think watermelon berry blonde.
I remember when I switched.
Hell, switch the roaches. Finish up a Dollar Tree. I'll keep y'all updated. Me?
Need a goddamn restaurant.
Bad.
What do you say? Right here?
Nah, I was saying that spot. I don't think Shipley's would have that spot over there. That gas station. Oh, I think this is the entrance. This is awkward.
Oh, the gas.
Yeah, I think you're on the entrance side too.
Man.
Yeah, because this is side right there.
Fucking meeting head on.
Gotcha. One of those maneuvers.
See what we got going on here.
Yeah, over there.
Oh, now I'm a professional driver.
Professional my ass.
There we go.
Yeah. Alright, so I gotta ask you, bro, who you got?
Hey, man. I got Conor. I got Conor winning. I got him in the second round, man.
I don't know what round, but I'm feeling Conor today, man. I was telling Noah, bro, that the other guy, when I was watching her fighting, Conor just seems so much more confident, bro. So let's see how it goes.
Let's see.
Oh shit! Yeah, he's on the fence though. He's good. He's good. He's good. He's good. Drop an elbow on the back of his head, bro.
Like, yeah, right now he needs to push the head down. He needs to dig a underhook to separate the hands. I think the hands might be connected.
Yeah. That was the last
Damn,
time.
he has some long ass arms. Look at that shit. Damn.
Like,
Shit.
yeah, you look like Ace.
Gonna get into this co-main event. Dan Hooker versus Michael Chandler. Let's get it.
Let's go, let's go.
It's over, stop it. Oh!
Hey! Hey!
Oh, wow! That's with two! Oh, shit!
Easy money, baby.
Oh!
He was not playing, bro. That was quick as hell.
Michael Chandler! Oh! What?
As soon as you left,
Oh, this nigga!
you dropped him.
This guy dropped!
They replayed it. They have to replay. They have to replay.
That shit's funny. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing right now? Watching this fight. It's actually getting hype. If you guys actually subscribe to my YouTube channel, link is in bio. But I'm putting this in the vlog, but y'all stay tuned. Oh, y'all. Inception. Conor McGregor is about to go, so this is about to be crazy, so stay tuned for that. But like I said, if you guys are already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go do it. The link is in the bio. I love you guys. I might stay live for the fight. I don't know, because we're going to see, but I don't know. But yeah. Yo, Conor McGregor is about to hop on this bad boy, so.
Oh, Conor McGregor's walkout song, man. That shit crazy,
So it's so cold.
That
Oh
shit
my
really
gosh.
gives me goosebumps. Surrounding himself. I'm gonna have a heavyweight cut.
Oh boy. Let's go. Not playing, bro. There's gonna be some clips of this one.
Oh shit. Oh, he's trying to tap him out, boy. He's trying to tap him out.
What the?
I can't believe it.
Wow.
What the fuck? Dustin, what the? Oh shit.
Whoa! Wait a minute.
But I beat him twice, and I felt like I was boxing pretty well with Conor. He hit me with some good counters.
That nigga still on the bed.
Man. He was like, bro, can you hurry
Dustin
up?
Poirer, man. Class X. Class X, man. Oh!
That was
Dustin.
But it's undisputed.
what the? You got the 2 rounds part, right?
Yeah, I did get the 2 rounds, man.
Wait a minute. No, would you like to explain, my good sir?
Hey, a lot of y'all who don't know, now the man who beat McGregor signed my belt, man. It's my white belt. 3-stripe white belt. I'm now a blue belt, 2 stripes.
Let them know.
On my way to
Tuck your ish, bro.
Come on now.
Come
Y'all
on
gonna
now.
see me in the UFC soon.
Soon, baby.
Soon. Post UFC 257, Conor McGregor just got knocked out by Dustin Poirer.
Bruh.
What a fight, man.
So if you guys didn't just see what I just like the reaction, I'm gonna throw it again up right here. And bro, when I tell you, the fight before that ended quick, right? So it started off quick like that. And so I was like, oh crap. So we started getting really hyped to watch this McGregor fight.
By the way, mind you, this is one of Gary's first times watching a fight, let alone the McGregor fight live.
Live, bro. I was like, okay, let me see what this is about, right? So he starts doing his walk up and stuff. I'm like, oh, it's getting serious. And bro, I know y'all saw him get out that Rolls Royce with that clean blue suit, and I was like, he ready to take care of business.
You know, Conor, man.
He was ready, bro. And so as soon as he got out the car, I was like, oh, it's getting serious. He started doing his warm-up stuff. Dude came in, he was chilling up. All right, they got in the ring. I said, all right, go time. First round, it was seeming pretty like chill and whatnot. It was like, okay. It was a lot on the cage. So I was like, okay, it's not nothing too crazy. Then Mcgregor started hitting some punches toward the end. He started getting straight down the line. So I was like, oh shit, okay. It's about to get going. And then that second round came, and bro, Poirer is his calf kick, bro. That front, bro, you can see it swelling like live action. You saw it start to swell. And so when I looked down, I was like, it's red. But I looked, I was like, wait a minute, that's an L, bro. And then you started to highlight how bad that was gonna start to really like kick in, dude.
Yeah, the calf kick, man. Once it gets started, man, it starts swelling up real bad. You lose control. That muscle, it starts turning off. I mean, you can see in past fights like Demetrius Johnson, Henry Cejudo, that's a big fight where it happened. Like they lose control of their foot, you know? Like, and it starts just flopping around, and it's
crucial for like how McGregor fights, because he's like real like deliberate.
Yeah,
he's leading with that leg, right on the line. So if you start to lose that leg, you kind of like all over the place here.
It messes up your movement, man.
And as soon as he's back, because he was like, most of the time he was in the open space and the dude's Poirier's back was to the cage. And I felt like when I was watching it, he like that position of control. So I was like, okay, as long as he stays in front of him, he's gonna be good. Like he's in front of him. But when it flipped over, even though he didn't start landing his punches yet, in the back of my mind I was like, oh, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. And then a little bit later he started landing them hoes, and I was like, bro.
And after he started landing the calf kicks, remember when I told you that I pointed out how his stance started narrowing up, and he started standing taller, and he wasn't as wide stance, so
like
he's not as sharp, and it's harder to circle out when you start doing that. When you start doing that, it's harder to circle. That's why you saw him going straight back, and then he ran into the fence, and it was still hard for him to circle out.
He started block up.
That's Poirer.
And the one that really got him was the one he said, boom, straight to the dome, like
a jump, man.
Because if all of them started hitting, I was like, okay, he might be able to dodge one, and then that last one right here just.
Hey man, so as one of your first fights that you've watched, man, how do you feel, bro?
That was exciting, man. Like the whole build-up and anticipation and everything, bro. I can only imagine what it'd be like at like a bar, no COVID or whatever, just like big ass TVs, everybody. Oh man, one of these days, so y'all stay tuned for whenever that day comes, because that's gonna be crazy, bro. Oh my God.
Man, MMA, man, it's a different experience.
And in case you guys didn't already know, like I introduced Noah earlier in the vlog, but you guys should know by now, but he trains in mixed martial arts, and so he's working to get to this level, and so he's been training, watching his channels a lot based on that. So you guys definitely go check him out. I already threw it up, and I'll drop it down below in the links as well.
Right, the Collision Course Sports. Man, you know, I have a podcast on there. I talk about predictions. I break down fights similar to this one. I was actually wrong on this prediction, but you know,
I think like 90%.
Who could have been right, man? This was wild.
Somebody made a lot of money tonight, though.
People made a lot of money today. That's
man, that was crazy right
Dustin
there.
the Diamond Boy. Pressure makes diamond.
Man, next time there's like a big like lineup and something like that, I'm gonna put money on these. So you guys stay tuned. I'll probably drop a few racks. So we're gonna see how it works out for me. All right, now y'all hold me to it though. Y'all hold me to it. I'll put 3,000 or whatever it is, and we'll see how that turns.
We'll see how that turns. Okay.
3 bands. We'll see how that turns out for me, bro.
Hey man.
Hopefully it turns into like 13.
I'm gonna have to give you my thoughts on that, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep my eye out, man. I'm gonna start paying attention a little bit more, cause like I always wanted to get more into like UFC and stuff like that, but I never really like would have either the channels or like know about it. I was out of the loop when it came to it. So most of the time I'm seeing it, it's like, oh, this fight's coming up. I don't know what the day is. And then after it's happened, I'm like, oh damn, you know? Cause I'm like, oh God, I don't have it on pay-per-view, or I don't have this channel. So I'm like, I'll just have to see it later. Right. So now I'm gonna be like, definitely keep my eye out, especially after that one. I got some names in the back of my mind swimming around. Yeah. And then what was the dude like in the match before?
Michael Chandler.
Yeah, that dude, bro. He sent a shot out for basically anybody who thought they could come to the table, Khabib or McGregor. So we're gonna see how that goes. So stay tuned.
Crazy, man. He had a wild call out of Khabib too, man.
He went like as soon as that match started, he was
dumb. Facts. He was coming. I like the imitation there, man. That was good, man.
Then once he got that one bump, he was like, all right. He started tick, bunk, and then he got him on the ground, dude. And it's like,
it took a while for the ref to stop it, actually.
That's what I was about to say.
He took a little bit.
Because like whenever you like, when you guys start watching more fights stuff like that, you'll see once they're on the ground, they do a couple punches. It's like boom, 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 and then the guy's like, all right, that's cool. This dude was on the guy was
like. Took a lot of unnecessary damage right there. At least like 15 unnecessary strikes.
Boom. And I was just like, and they were like, all right, McGregor fight. Hey, here we are now. Wow. That fight was supposed to be ending like right about now.
That's probably why, remember how I mentioned it didn't look like Poirer got a good warm up in?
Yeah.
That's probably why, actually. Because, you know, nobody expected it to be that quick, and, you know, the fights were just, honestly, there was a lot of finishes on that fight card, besides the girl fight that I told you was going to go the distance.
That was a nice fight.
Yeah, it was a good fight.
I don't remember her name. The one with the back tattoo, man. She's vicious, bro. Y'all go watch her. I'm only bet on women's fights, bro, because I think that one you can actually.
It's more predictable.
Yeah, that's definitely more predictable comes in. The rest of that,
because they don't. A lot of them, majority of them don't have knockout power. So usually the person with more skill fighting or barring all injuries or whatever, usually that person's gonna win. So.
Oh yes, sir. That was a crazy one. But y'all stay tuned because we're gonna be doing something on Noah's channel here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this part now. But y'all go right on over to Collision Sports. Y'all check out Noah. Y'all get ready for this, man. And we're about to be a little fire or something. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you for spending the day with me and my boy Noah. We go back and it was good catching up with. It's been a long time since we got together. So you guys stay tuned. Next fight, you'll definitely see him. So that being said, love you guys. I'll catch you next one. Deuces.
Peace out.
Yes. Oh, great and mighty grand champion, is there something you need? Back rub, perhaps? Oh, gee. You sure? Okay, well, bye.